Hello, and thank you all for joining us today. My name is Jessica Diedrich, and I am the CEO of Greater Green Bay Habitat for Humanity, and we are very excited to announce a new program launching in Brown County, and specifically in De Pere. So, as you know, Habitat's main mission is to build simple, decent, affordable housing in the area. But we also feel that it's important to address current homeowner struggles and offer support. Many segments of homeowners in our community face challenges and are forced to make trade-offs. Similar challenges as those that our organization currently addresses. After having countless conversations about neighborhood revitalization needs over the years, we have decided to expand our programming. Introducing Rock the Block. Rock the Block is a neighborhood revitalization program that focuses on making improvements and repairs to the exterior of up to 30 homes in a designated area, all in a matter of just a few days. And we are thrilled to launch this new annual initiative in De Pere. In working closely with the City of De Pere, we were able to select a neighborhood that Mayor Boyd will be showing you shortly. But launching a program of this magnitude requires strong partnerships, financial support, collaboration, and buy-in from the community. Rock the Block creates collaborative opportunities not only for homeowners, but for volunteers, businesses, and neighborhoods. We have already been working with the city to plan this year's Rock the Block. And they say it takes a village, but in this case, it will take our community. So what does Rock the Block look like here? It will be a 3-day event that will take place September 12th, 13th, and 14th of 2024. And we will bring together hundreds of volunteers from our community to make necessary repairs and improvements to the exterior of the homes in this specific neighborhood. Like we said, it will serve up to 30 homes, dependent on a maximum of a $7,500 budget per home based on the repairs that are needed. This could be anything from basic landscaping to an entire roof replacement. So who will Rock the Block serve? These are individuals and families who are currently homeowners that are integrated into the De Pere community. They are our workforce, and they are an economic driver in the Greater Green Bay area. Across the nation, Habitat for Humanity neighborhood revitalization programs have proven to increase collective action and demonstrate increased capacity to work together to create change. Many other habitats in the state have successfully launched Rock the Block, including the Fox Cities, Lakeshore, Chippewa Valley, and Oshkosh. So we are very confident that this program will also be very successful in our area. In Wisconsin, as a whole, 1 in 9 households is paying more than 50% of their income for housing. In Brown County, 1 in 3 households are living below the ALICE threshold and are struggling to meet daily basic needs. 30% of De Pere households are income constrained and limited on resources. Also, Brown County has a 62.4% homeownership rate, and of that, 20% of homeowners are spending greater than the recommended 30% threshold of their monthly income on housing. That's where residents are forced to start making trade-offs. But we're here to help. I would like to introduce De Pere Mayor James Boyd to come up and speak about the city's commitment to this and other programs that they will be offering to local homeowners. Mayor?
Thank you, Jessica. Thank you. How can you not get excited with Jessica? I mean, this is a very exciting day. Just to preface it, we do have 3 other programs that the City of De Pere is going to embark on in addition to this to address the housing stock needs in the City of De Pere. But this is the one that we're very excited about, and we're going to focus on this today because it's deserving of it. So I want to thank everyone who has joined us here this morning. I appreciate your time and your ongoing support of the City of De Pere and Habitat for Humanity. I'm excited to stand before you today to discuss this extraordinary opportunity for our beloved city. This Rock the Block initiative holds the promise of not only enhancing our community, but also embodying the principles that define De Pere. Our city's tagline, De Pere runs deeper, truly speaks to the essence of who we are. We are a destination for those seeking exceptional opportunities within a business-friendly environment accompanied by outstanding schools, a respect for history, a vibrant culture, and abundant recreational offerings, all while fostering a hub for new ideas. And at the forefront of all of this are the many partnerships that make this possible, including Habitat for Humanity. As Rock the Block comes to De Pere from September 12th to the 15th, we gain yet another tremendous partner in our continuing efforts to improve our community. This first Rock the Block project area lies immediately east of City Hall and the new Mulva Cultural Center, extending Ontario Street to Washington Street, George Street to the north, and Merrill Street to the south. Within this area, 170 owner-occupied homes stand as the backbone of our community. As any growing and vibrant city experiences, our housing stock undergoes cycles, and attention is required. The City of De Pere, like other cities in the state, is striving to meet the needs of its residents with affordable housing and workforce housing options. With the median construction year of 1984 and 21% of housing units predating 1950, again, let's say that again. With the median construction year of 1984 and 21% of housing units predating 1950, the city has developed programs and partnerships focused on home improvement services, and this is one of 4. These initiatives encompass safety repairs, beautification, weatherization, and home preservation projects. Supporting these endeavors, the City of De Pere has allocated a portion of its affordable housing funds and funds from the American Rescue Plan, ARPA, to fund the Rock the Block program. In total, the city is committing $400,000 in ARPA funding, with $200,000 designated for an East Side project in 2024, the one we're talking about, and an additional $200,000 for a West Side project in 2026. Of that $400,000, $100,000 is from ARPA and $300,000 from a TID Affordable Housing Extension. This demonstrates a 2-year commitment to a partnership with Habitat for Humanity. On this exciting day for the City of De Pere, Habitat for Humanity and the City of De Pere will begin an outreach to prospective homeowners to participate in the Rock the Block program. The application program will continue for the next 3 months. With that, I'd just like to express our sincere appreciation to our business partners whose contributions extend beyond financial support. I also want to extend an appreciation to our Common Council, who has also been very supportive of this and other projects. The city is so thankful for the support, skilled labor, and volunteerism to make these programs possible. In conclusion, thank you again for your time and attending this event. De Pere is committed to affordable housing and meeting the needs of all residents in the city. Rock the Block is another example of the deep dedication we have in De Pere to improve and enhance our city and this entire region, and the many partnerships like Habitat for Humanity that makes this all possible. So again, thank you very much. Thank you, Jessica.
Thank you, Mayor Boyd.
Just don't anywhere.
So, as he mentioned, this event will be, the actual repair work will be taking place by volunteers September 12th, 13th, and 14th. In addition, we will all come back together on that Sunday, September 15th, to celebrate all the work that we've accomplished over those few days. So, how does one qualify for this program? So, as with any new program, We know that residents in this designated area on the east side of De Pere will be anxious to learn more. Key qualifying factors will be that the home must be owner-occupied, applicants must reside in that designated area shown, and they must submit an application. And then we will go and our team will review their home and evaluate potential projects to determine the scope of work needed. As a result of De Pere's commitment to this program and designated funding to support home repairs and improvements, projects are available to take place at no cost to the homeowner. So the purpose and the impact of Rock the Block is to help neighbors, friends, family, and employees of local businesses. It addresses and helps solve physical and financial barriers. It promotes vibrant, well-maintained communities and will increase property values as well. At the end of that week, it will be something that we can all be proud of. It's not just about making an impact on the community, it's about helping our neighbors. Partnerships are incredibly important with a project of this magnitude. So partnerships with the City of De Pere and the staff have been critical to the success of launching this program, but also with businesses and community organizations. Thank you to those who are already partnering with us on the planning. Sponsorship for Rock the Block is available and needed to reach our goal. We've already received designated funding from the City of De Pere, which we are incredibly grateful for. And we are now looking to area businesses and community members to help us raise the rest of our goal and help support Habitat's mission in Brown County. As you know, our mission is to give a hand up and not a hand out. So there will be a lot of collaboration and working together to achieve our goal. Affordable homeownership creates strength, stability, and self-reliance. So what's next? Homeowners in the designated area will be receiving a letter from us in the coming days detailing the program and how to qualify. It will also include information about 3 upcoming meetings that they will be invited to attend to learn more about Rock the Block and ask any questions that they may have. Over the next few weeks, our program manager, Tony Ingram, will be canvassing with De Pere representatives throughout the neighborhood, knocking on doors and speaking one-on-one with homeowners about Rock the Block and how it may be able to help them. Information, guidelines, and the application are now available on our website at greenbayhabitat.org/rocktheblock. We encourage homeowners to learn more about Rock the Block and consider applying. We invite homeowners to apply for Rock the Block and be part of a positive impact with their participation and the amazing impact that this can have on our community. Lastly, we would like to thank the City of De Pere for making it possible for us to launch this very important program in the community. Specifically, the mayor, Larry Delo, Dan Lindstrom, and Koyson Shaw have been critical to the success of the launch of this. Local businesses and employers are joining us today, and we're grateful for their partnership as well. Our Habitat staff and board members are here, so thank you for taking time to join us. We would be happy to take any questions, but thank you for joining us today. That's it. The main questions, or we can do one-on-ones.
Yeah, one back there.
Will homeowners share in the labor for a project?
They will be encouraged to volunteer, but not everybody will be able to physically volunteer, so we'll find ways that they're able to partner with us and collaborate, and also recruit their neighbors and family and friends to volunteer and help with the improvements as well.
And then we anticipate that some staff and some city officials will help as well. So we think this will be a community outreach effort, and then we'll see people helping as well too within this organization and others. So that's what we anticipate, to help those homeowners, especially the ones that can't.
Yes, and we envision that we will need to recruit anywhere between 300 and 400 volunteers over the course of the 3 days of work.
And And will there be an income requirement for homeowners, or will the criteria you mentioned be all that's required?
So what we have already done with the City of De Pere was research in the different neighborhoods that need improvements, and the average median income in this neighborhood would qualify for the typical services that Habitat for Humanity would require for our homeownership program. So it fits really well within our mission.
And that will also be on the letter going out too?
Yes.
To the residents. So that
Yep.
information will be on the letter going out and the outreach program.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks everyone for coming, by the way.
Thank
you very
you.
much. Thank you.